Welcome. This video will guide you step by step how to register for new CDB certificate. Go to CDB website. Click on Bhutan in top corner. Click Registration. Under New Registration, click Contractor. Here you can view fee structure for new registration in different class and categories of works. Click Next. In this section, please enter the general information of the construction firm, such as proposed name of the firm, details of owner, permanent and establishment address. Once you have inserted the CID number of the proprietor, the system will automatically detect whether he has undergone induction course or not. It is mandatory to undergo induction course to avail new CDB certificate. Note that it is mandatory to fill all the boxes with asterisk symbols. Tick Next. In this section you need to select the class and category you want to avail. The fee will be levied accordingly. Click Next. In this section you need to provide the details of your human resources. You can view the list of HR you need for different class and categories. Click Add HR and add the details of the HR. Attach the necessary document of the added HR. The document required are copy of CID, academic transcripts, and undertaking letter. The undertaking letter should be as per the undertaking sample issued by CDB. The link to download the undertaking sample will be provided in descriptions. Click Save. Add additional HR as per the requirement of your class. And click Next. In this section you need to add equipment as per the requirement of your class and category. You can view the list of equipments you need for different class and categories. Click Add Equipment. Provide the details of the equipment. For registered equipment you need to provide valid Blue Book and motor insurance. For non-registered equipment like survey equipment, shattering plates, and concrete mixture you need to provide verification letter from Construction Association of Bhutan. Add addition equipment as per the requirement of your class and category. Click Review your information. Read the terms and conditions carefully and submit your application. You will receive an acknowledgement for your application. You will also receive an email in your registered email address. Your application will be reviewed by CDB and will be communicating with you in email. If you have any doubts, please contact CDB office. Thank you.